Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be looking at the E major scale on the trumpet. Now before we get started, I just want to say if you like the content and you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get right into it. Okay, so first I will play the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is how the E major scale sounds on the trumpet. So that is how it sounds, and now for the tutorial. This scale begins with the note E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F sharp, which is played 2. The next note is A flat or G sharp, they're the same thing, and it's played with 2 and 3. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C sharp, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is E flat, which is played 2 since we're in the second octave now. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is E, except this time since we're in the second octave, it's actually played open. So one last time, this is how the E major scale sounds. Hope you guys like this video, and make sure to stay tuned for the next one. See ya.